Hi everyone, welcome to Everything Data Analytics, and in this tutorial I'm going to be walking you through how to upload your project to Github. So I've been having messages on my DM to show how to upgrade, people asking me how can they update their project, how can they post their project to Github. So I feel that that's or what people are struggling with, because I've had message more than 5 messages on that. So I feel these are the things that people are struggling with, that let me just put it on, like maybe we have more than the people that are asking me in my DM. Maybe we have more people that are struggling with this issue. So this step by step tutorial will guide you through on how to upload your to upload your project to Github page, to upload your project online. So whether you are a beginner or just you need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you to get your project online. But before we start, the first thing that you have to do is you must have Github account. You must have Github account. So if you don't have, just go to www.github.com and sign up for that. You can sign up. If you sign up, if you click on sign up here, these are the questions that you will be asking. These are the questions that they will ask you if you click on sign up. These are the questions that you'll be asked, then before you can continue with your, or before you can create your account on Github. So now, and also you must have your project ready. You must have all the project that you want to upload. You must have them ready. So you have them ready in a folder so that you'll be able to and store them in a place where that you will remember them, so that it will be easier for you to upload them when you need to upload. So now we'll start. And if this is your first time in my channel, kindly click the or subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification button to receive update on all the tutorial that I share every week. So after, I'm going to be signing into my Github account now. I'm going to be clicking on sign in. Yes, I've already have it here. Then click sign in. So now the next thing, now after you have signed, after you have created your profile, you created your account, then the next thing now is to go to your profile. How do you navigate to your profile? You can just come to this right hand side, then right click on your name there, click on profile. If you click on profile, this is my profile, this is what you'll be seeing. Well, because if you are just starting, you might not be seeing all these or all the project that has been stored in my repository here. So you might not be seeing it here. So these are all the, you might not be seeing your own profile like this because you don't have any project yet. So these are all the projects that I've stored. So I have like 33 projects stored in my Github page. So now let's start. So you go to your account. If you want to post your project to Github, if you want to post your project to Github, the first thing you do, first you create an account. Make sure you have an account on Github. So after you've created your account, then you go to your profile here, then you will see your repository. So repository is where your project has been stored. This is where you store your project in in Github. So you can have as many you can have many repository in Github. You can see my repository is showing 33. So that means I have 33 projects stored in my repository. So now if I click on in my project now, I click on my project, then I click on your repository. If I click on your repository now, it will bring out all the project that has been stored on my project. That's what it will bring out. It will bring out all the project that has been stored on my Github. So this is my Github. These are all the projects on my Github account now that I've post online. So that the next thing now assuming I want to now upload new projects in my Github account. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be clicking new. I'll click new. Once I click new, now, so I'm creating a new repository to store my new project online. So once I click new, so now it's asking me for repository name. So now your repository name, you must make sure that you give it a name related to your project. So what project am I uploading? I'm uploading a sales dashboard. So I can just write sales analysis. I can write, let's say, Excel sales. So I'm putting this as Excel sales analysis. So now it's telling me that, okay, spelling check, analysis. Okay, analysis. So now it's telling me that your new repository will be created as a sales analysis. So that's the name that it will show up when once you've created it. That's what it will be showing. So now the next thing is description. So it's optional, but it is important that you describe what your project is all about. And this, the advantage of adding description is for people to have background view of your project. So now it's important to just put something there that was this project all about. So you can just put project. So this, I'll just write, this is a sales analysis on, this is a sales analysis using Excel. So you can still put more thing, but this, I'm using this video as a guide. So now I'm choosing visibility. Is either you choose, so there are two options on this visibility. So if you want to showcase your work and you want open source collaboration, you want feedback and review of your project, you can choose public. But if your work is confidential, you you and then you don't want people to, or to have anything, you don't want any review or reaction on your work, you choose private. So choosing visibility depends on whether you want to foster collaboration, showcase your work, or keep it private for security or personality. So for this is public, so I'm going to be clicking public. By default it will give you public. So you now or decide on what you are going to be doing. So now the next thing is to scroll down and click create repository. That's the next thing you will do. So now I've created the repository. Now you can see it now as Excel sales Excel sales analytics. But again, I've just created it, but I've not uploaded my or work. I've not uploaded work the work on the Excel. So now the next thing for me is to upload that particular work. So let me just show you this work, the particular work. So this is the folder that I want to upload in my PC. So this is the work. This is the Excel dashboard that I did that I want to upload. This is the Excel dashboard. So it's still opening. So this is the Excel dashboard I want to upload on my, or what's it called, on my Github account. This is the Excel dashboard. So I did this particular dashboard long time ago, and then I have a capture of this. This is the capture. This is the capture of the, or of the or I took a screenshot of it, so to also put it in my Github account. So this is the capture. You can also do that. This is the capture. I just put it in a folder. So now I've put them in a folder now. So now I can open this folder like this. Then I will just going to minimize the folder, go back to my Github here. So now here I need to upload my file. So it's saying create new file or upload an existing file. So for this place you are going to be clicking on upload existing file. So you can, let me zoom it for you to see it very well. So now create, you can click on upload an existing file, click on upload existing file. Now for this upload existing file, you can see this choose file. You can decide to choose a file from this particular file. I can decide to go to this place and choose this file, click on this. I can decide to do that. Now that has been added. Or I can decide to go, if I remove that, I can decide to just go to where the folder is. I minimize it, come right here. Then I'm just going to highlight the two profile, and then after I've highlighted them, I will just drag the two files here. So now the two file is being uploaded here. Now I've uploaded it, now it's still loading here. Now it has been uploaded, the capture and the Excel file. So now you just click on commit to change, click on commit to change. So now for this uploading of a file, we have two options. So which is either by dragging the file, which I've done, or by uploading them, which I've done. But again, but what I like doing is I prefer dragging. I prefer dragging those files there. It makes it easier. So then now one thing I want you to note here is in this uploading of a file, if the file is too large, there is another option. You can decide to drag. If you have that time, you can decide to drag. But there is another option that you can use to upload large file, which I will discuss later in our next video on Github. So now we have already uploaded our file. Now we've already uploaded it. So I'm going to be talking on this how they read me in our next video. But this is a simple way, and the best way you can decide to upload your profile is just as simple as that. If you want, if your file is not large, even if your file is large, you can decide to be dragging each of those files or uploading them one after the other. So now I have uploaded my Github account now. So if my profile, I've uploaded my project on Github. So if I click on this now, this is the capture. You can decide to view it here. This is the capture. So if I click on the capture, you can see now people can see easily have a view of my, or what's it called, of my project. So now if I click on the sale here, so in case anybody wants to download the file, you can just click on this raw. If you click on this raw, if you click here, you see download file. If you click on that download file, it will download. You can see now it has downloaded. So that's the simple way. That's how you can upload your project on Github. You can post your project online on using Github. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please share, like, comment. Most importantly, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content, for more exclusive content. Stay updated on my channel. Bye.